This simple bot setup is a game changer for monetizing your skills online. With this particular bot, you can monetize your skills, can sell more products, you can also sell more services. All you need to do is simply watch this video carefully because I'm going to be breaking it down. Imagine having a simple bot where people can actually click only just like this. A pop-up will show for them, and when they add their details, they will be able to buy whatever thing you are selling. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set it up. If you want to see more videos like this, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So for this to work for you, there are simple steps you have to follow. The first step, you need a product, a service, or a skill that you can actually sell out. All right. So your product can be a physical product or digital product. If you don't have product, you can have a skill. You might know how to plait hair. You might know how to repair mobile phones. You might know how to write a blog content, email copy, art copies. You might know how to design graphics. All right. So whatever skill you know how to do, whatever type of product you want to sell, whatever service you want to sell, I want to see them on the comment section. All right, so I can actually guide you on the right path to follow with this same method. Okay, so if you have your skill, if you have a product or your service in place, what you need to do, go ahead and log into your website just like this. All right, as I can show you, this is my own website blog right here. So if I go to this dashboard section, I'll be able to log into my admin panel. Right, so if you don't have a blog website, go ahead and get yourself a standard blog website. As a business owner, as someone that want to offer service online, that want to get customers from any part of the world, you need a website. This is what will position you as a professional in your own area of specialty. Once you have your website blog developed, fully optimized, then you can actually do this for yourself. All right, so if my team have already built your website, developed it, monetized it, you can use the same method. No matter the type of niche you are, this will work for you. Okay, for instance, if you visit my website just like this, you're going to be seeing lots of blog content which I've already written on this particular website. All these informations are my knowledge, my skills, and personal experience. All right, so these are the things that have already worked for me before I begin to share them on my blog website. All right, so your own case might be different. It might be that you know how to plait hair, how to barb hair. It might be that you know how to sew clothes. You are a fashion designer. Whatever thing you do, what you need to do, bring your skill, bring your service, bring your product, get a website for it. All right, get a standard blog website just like my team have already built some of my students websites, monetized for them. All right, once your website is delivered to you, first thing you need to do, that particular skill you have, that product you have, that service you already have, that offline business, that online business you're already doing before having a website, you bring all of them on your website. Okay, what you need to do is simply create a category for it. Okay, if you're a nurse, you can actually add categories about health, nutrition, personal hygiene, disease and cures, and all of that, okay, as categories. And whatever thing you talk about should be what you know how to do very well, and you can answer questions when you are being asked. Okay, when my team have already developed, delivered your website to you, add your categories first. When you add your category, second thing you need to do, then click on the plugin section. Okay, search for this particular plugin right here. Okay, make sure you activate this particular plugin. All right, so if it is not installed on your own website, go ahead and click on this install button right now. Then you click on this activate button immediately. Okay, so once on this very session, click on this get started button. Go ahead and add your business name. Let's say I want to add Padded Vibes. All right, then make sure you select individual or you select company. All right, so after that, select your country. No matter where you're watching from, you can actually go ahead and get this done. Okay, all right, so click on this save button. All right, so right now you're going to be adding your payment method. Okay, so they support Stripe and other ones. Okay, you can connect your Stripe or decide to choose it later. Okay, you can create a Stripe account for yourself. Okay, so you can add the form name. This is the email they're gonna get whenever they buy from your website. Okay, immediately, so this is there, they're gonna add their name based on what they added when they were making the purchase or checking out. Okay, thank you for your purchase. Please click the button below to download your file. Okay, so after making payment, they'll be able to download the file. Don't worry yourself, I'm going to be showing you the file they're going to download. Okay, then you click on the save changes and continue. Okay, once you have this in place, the next you need to do, they are going to ask you to install some plugins. All right, e-commerce, you can add that. Then reliable email delivery, that is good. Analytics, you can add SEO too. If you already have SEO plugin like Yoast, all-in-one SEO or Bankmat, you don't need to add this again. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this save changes. Then all the plugins you selected will start installing one after the other. Okay, each of these steps has been marked green for us, which means we completed them. So this is what they're gonna ask you, what are you gonna sell? All right, so that's the question. We're gonna be skipping this for now. Skip and continue. So apart from people visiting to read, they can actually do something that will benefit you, right? That's the essence of this particular plugin. Okay, so because of the results we've been getting from other websites, so I decided to test it in this same website. Okay, so I added this particular product. Okay, so this product is already on Seller and other platform. Okay, so I decided to add it on this particular website. Okay, so remember, before you add your product on your website, first thing you have to do is to decide service you're rendering, or the product you're already selling, or the skill you already have. Okay, so if you have a skill which is plating hair, then all you need to do is simply have a blog for yourself, and under this blog create a category, start publishing content like blog posts on your website. Okay, so if my team have already built your website, developed it, monetize it, the advertisement will benefit you. Once you have at least 100 posts, you can start doing this when people start visiting your website. Okay, so once you have a lot of posts on your website, first you need to do is to ask yourself, which of my posts can I actually make detailed breakdown based on what has already worked for you to give out for people who values your content. Okay, so for instance, I made this particular blog content getting a lot of traffic for over 2 months now. It has been getting a lot of traffic based on what has already worked for me. I decided to package all my experiences, all my results, strategies on how you can actually get approval, the step-by-step guideline. I decided to break it down in a PDF file, which is a digital product, then to sell it out to people on this very platform. Okay, and because of that, people see this simple tiny button right here which says grab our Pro AdSense approval pack here. Okay, when they click on this, because I've already given them a free stuff for free, like a full detail stuff for free, they can actually trust me more to buy this pro pack. Okay, so that's basically how this thing works. Yeah, you can see this button is many here. You can see we have this first button, one, we have the second button, we have the third button. This is it right here. You can see just 3 places. Okay, you can decide to place it more, but I prefer 3. All right, so if they click on this, a pop-up will come up and they can actually put in their details and buy from you. Okay, so for you to get your own setup, come back to your website, click on this section right here that says download, then click on add download. Okay, remember, you're going to be adding this download button in a post that is about that same product you are promoting. Okay, so remember, this one right here that I posted here, this one right here is about AdSense. This post is about AdSense approval, and the product is also about AdSense approval. Okay, I can search for Fiverr. This particular post is basically Fiverr affiliate post. All right, you can show it here. Okay, so we're going to simply be adding a Fiverr affiliate marketing product here on that particular post. Okay, so this is the product we're going to be adding, and this particular product right here is also selling on Seller. Okay, but people might not be seeing it every time on Seller except they visit my platform and decide to check out my store, right? But that particular post is being ranked on Google. It's getting more traffic on Bing, on DuckDuckGo, and also on Yandex. Okay? And majority of traffic are also coming from Pinterest. All right, so because of that, we're going to be adding the download link on this same page. Okay, click on this edit post. Under this section right here, you're going to see insert download. This insert download is as a result of that particular plugin we installed, which is this digital download store right here. Okay, so if you click on this insert, you're going to see right here, this is the only product we have on this particular page. What we need to do is simply add a new product, okay, which tallies with this Fiverr affiliate marketing product. All right, so go back to this very page right here that says add digital download. Oh, this is it. Then the next you need to do is simply add that same product you have on your store. Then copy the title just like this. So once you have that, add it right here. Then we're gonna add this, copy this just like this, then come back here, then add it right here. Okay, it's product details, then select single product. Okay, and add the price of the product. If you want to sell it $10, you add it right here. Okay, so I'm going to be selling $5 because majority of the people that will be seeing this are basically people that will be reading immediately. Okay, so they will feel like they want to actually get this. Okay, so I don't want to make it expensive for them. All right, so forget about these ones, click on these files right now, then select the file you want to sell. Okay, so click on this upload file, then click on select files. Make sure that you have file below 100 megabytes, okay, so that you will be able to import on your website. Okay, so this is Fiverr, and let's see the file size. The file size is just 552.8 KB kilobyte. Is not even up to 1 megabyte. Okay, so your file has to be little. All right, you have to format it very well, then select this. You can see it will be added here. The file name is here, the file download button is here. Alright, so you can add multiple file. If you want to add another file, you can add multiple file. Then click on the note button. I'm going to be adding this as well as the notes. Alright, then go to the settings, then download limit, leave it at 0. From this section right here, you can actually copy the button. If you want to add it to your entire site, you can go to a widget and add it, okay? But if you want to add it to a simple post, you can actually go to the post section and use this particular section right here, okay? So click on this section that says buy now button. Right now, simply add the product image. Select this, go to upload, select file, product image, this is it here. Then you open it. Then click on this publish button. Okay, so the product has been published. So let's go ahead and click on this view product. Okay, you can show why this is the product here. And with this product, you can actually send this product link right now to people that want to buy it. Okay, all right, you can send it out, but without educating them on the reason why they need this product, they might not actually buy it. Okay, so that's the reason why you need content for you to sell out this product. You have to give them reason why they have to buy. And that's the essence of you having a blog content which gives them free value first. With the free value, they will know that the premium package will have a lot to give to them. Right, so go down to this very section right here and embed the product. Then click on this insert download. Then click on this. You can see right here the 5 affiliate traffic system is here. Then select it. Then the button should be direct link, or you can add to cart. Okay, so let's try add to cart. Then the link should be button. All right, so the color we're going to be selecting green. Okay, or you can choose any color, select green. Then you can add this. Insert. Okay, so you can see right here, this is it. This is the button right here, the purchase button. Copy this, copy it, then go to another side of the post. You can add it here. You can preview it. Okay, so first thing first, you can see right here, this is how the checkout button looks like. Okay, so if you click on this checkout button right here, this is where it's going to simply take them to. Okay, you can use both the checkout button or the buy button. Okay, the instant buy button. All right, so if you have that in place, then you can see right here, this is the product details. You can see the product price. You can add your information right here. When you add your information, you click on the purchase button. Okay, and with this, you have multiple monetization opportunities on your website, and this is going to simply help you a lot to build a business around whatever thing you do on this online space with a simple, standard, well-developed website. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, see you in the next update.